Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. First leaked image hints at smaller notch and S Pen relocation. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra has made its debut appearance in a leaked image, surprising us with a revamped design. While Samsung hasn't entirely eliminated the controversial display notch, the cutout on the upcoming flagship tablet is considerably smaller. The successor to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, approximately $1,050 on Amazon, is expected to launch in October. Recently spotted on Geekbench, the upcoming flagship tablet showed a roughly 10% improvement in CPU performance over its predecessor, thanks to its MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor. However, it cannot entirely keep pace with tablets powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. Highly reputable leaker Evan Blass has now unveiled what may be the first ever image of the device. Based on the image, Samsung appears to be retaining a dual camera setup on the back of the tablet, but has removed the pill-shaped element that marks the magnetic charging area for the S Pen. This suggests that Samsung may be relocating the magnetic connector to the tablet's frame, echoing Apple's approach on the iPad Pro. Another welcome refinement is the smaller display notch. However, Samsung seems to have omitted one of the two front-facing cameras, presumably in an effort to save space. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra features a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the front. In theory, a higher-resolution ultra-wide lens with digital zoom could replace both cameras without compromising functionality. Beyond design changes and a slightly faster processor, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is rumored to include an 11700 mAh battery, around 5% larger than its predecessor's 11200 mAh capacity. I think these few changes on the upcoming device will make a significant impact in the Samsung tablet world. Moreover, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, and share. I will see you on the next.